Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and today I will introduce you with this little guy. And now in my hand is the Bluetooth speaker from Sony SRS-XB100. As you can see in this video, this is a little Bluetooth speaker, and now we are going to find out what interesting with this speaker, and let's go. The speaker you can find it in the Amazon or the eBay. Let's go. And the speaker I got is blue. Before we go into this speaker, I will show you what into the box. It's a little big, and the cable you got here is the Type C USB, and the length of the cable I think about 30 centimeters. And now you can see. And I will show you. This is our XB100 speaker. And you will have 5 buttons here: the power button, the Bluetooth pairing, pause play, and the volume. And I will put the cable. And now I will connect it with my iPhone. And first of all, you will put on the power. And after that, you will go to the Bluetooth on the setting of iPhone. And as you can see, it will very easy to connecting with phone. And I will talk a little bit less, and now just enjoy the music.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, on the highway, and in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I ain't fighting. You never you bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and just gotta let by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never ran, sitting on, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that can change. You can flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say. Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless. A sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it. And I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory. Yeah, don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring. Yeah, just want a life that is worth every day exploring. Yeah. My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be.
Before going to my conclusion, I will show you on the description of this XB100 on the scene so you can easy to catch up. And for the ending, my conclusion for the Sony XB100 LC Bluetooth speaker is perfect for on-the-go adventures. The flexible design and versatile strap allow you enjoy the music wherever life you take, whether you're by the pool, hiking, or simply relaxing at home. The XB100 promises a remarkable audio experience. And that's all of my conclusion for this tiny guide. And if you like the video, you can press the button subscribe and like to supporting our team, and see you in next video. Thank you for watching.